purpose mo makuha din, tsaka ma-secure yung kanan?
Nagano ako, thank you sa Lord. Uh, I'd like to thank all my the ones who supported me and my coaches because they are very good.
Paano ka nag-start sa weightlifting?
I just got dropped in and I just got that and I loved it. That's from the very start. So I continued and continued.
Is this your first medal that you're
Yes po.
in your career?
No po.
This is your first.
First gold medal in the Batang Pinoy po.
Is this the first time joining Batang Pinoy?
Yes po.
So how does it feel to be winning gold in your first go around here?
So good po.
How does this inspire you to be better?
It inspires me to work harder so I can be the next Olympian of the Philippines. And then win many medals throughout my life and become famous like Heidelin Diaz, my idol. And Kuya Ian, the world record holder.
And lastly, were you that confident that you're going to secure the gold, or were you nervous?
Nervous po.
Why?
Because my cousin, very good jerker.
Is this your personal best?
Yes po.
Ano yung previous personal best mo?
Previous personal best,
Previous yung kung nakatandaan mo?
83.
Ha?
83.
Kamusta yung yung pakiramdam na teammate mo, yung mga kalaban mo dun para dun sa gold? Kasi kayo dalawa yung parang naiwan.
Nervous ako. O baka makaano siya dyan.
Yung dun sa last lift nung teammate mo, medyo kinabahan ka ba dun na makasakaling siya yung mag-gold or ano?
Yes po.
Well,
I was nervous that he might secure the gold.
So are you happy that you'll be celebrating 2 medals along with your teammate?
Yes po.
So what did you say to him after?
Ano po?
What did you say to him after winning?
Nothing. I just sat down. Just sat down and relaxed after the gold.
What made you start weightlifting?
I just got dropped in and I love the sport from the very beginning.
Any
Yes,
from
I
your
mean-
family who also lift? Any from your family who does sports? Or
Yes po, si Nenerio Hipolito, because he is my grandfather and very good lifter and is kasama with Coach Alvin and many other coaches.
how about your parents? What is their job?
Oh,
Your parents' job.
my parents' job is office job. Not too exciting, but it gets money in the house.
Because your grandfather is a weightlifter too?
Yes po,
Name?
Nenerio Hipolito.
Dinero.
Sorry, what's the name?
Ano po?
Ano yung pangalan ng lola mo?
Nenerio Hipolito. Asawa niya si Alonar Taho.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Mama.
So, what grade are you in now?
Hi!
Grade 5.
Nag-stop ako, hindi ako nag-module or nag-stop ako.
School mo?
Actually, nag-stop ako for a very short time. That's why grade 5 pa ako instead of grade 7.
anong school mo?
D1 elementary school.
Ba't ka nag-stop?
Pandemic.
Anong pandemic? Pero ngayon, anong grade ka na ngayon?
5 po.
So, na-delay ka dahil sa pandemic. Silver medal.
Okay lang. Medyo disappointed lang ako kasi dream ko talaga makakuha ng gold medal sa Batang Pinoy. So, pero still grateful pa rin ako sa silver medal kasi nakakuha pa rin ako ng award.
Yung bang huli mong list, ano ba plano mo dapat pa?
Lahat makuha ko yun po. Makuha kasi makuha ko rin sabi ng coach ko kung makuha ko, magkakagold ako kasi hindi ko nakuha eh.
Paano ka nagsimula mag-weightlifting?
Paano nagsimula po? Nung summer po, gusto ko sana mag-basketball. Kaso po yung lolo ko po, weightlifter po sa niya, mag-weightlifting po ako kasi magkapunta daw ako, saan daw. So, trinay ko weightlifting yung nag-start lang.
Kailan yung sinasabi mong summer?
Summer?
Oo.
Di po nung po
Dito lang?
Opo, dito sa Sampuanga po, summer.
Okay. Nagpa-basketball ka pa rin?
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Pero dati basketball player ka.
Opo. Stop.
Anong laro mo? Anong position?
Sa center po.
Center ka. Naglalaro ka sa mga liga.
Opo, nagkalaro na ako liga maintenance pero nag-stop.
Anong liga mga sinalihan mo? Ano ba yun? Mga intertown? O siguro barangay? O
Barangay lang.
barangay. Tapos, kumusta yung... silver ka rin daw dun sa National Open? Sa
Opo,
Dumaguete.
Sa Dumaguete. Opo,
Yung lola mo pala, no?
weightlifter.
So,
Opo.
paano kalaking bagay yun? So, meron kang lolo na ganun din ang ginagawa.
Malaki kasi ma-understand niya yung mga pain ko, yung parang masakit yung likod kasi weightlifter sa minsan siya yung nanomotivate sa amin para magbuhat kung minsan tinatamad ka sa minsan, sige lang, try lang, sige lang.
Sabay kayo mag-training.
Opo, sabay.
Anong pangarap mo sa weightlifting?
Pangarap ko? Like, anong pangarap ko?
Ano gusto mo ba national team o Olympics? O gold medal sa Olympics? O
Magkano gold medal sa Olympics, pati maging Philippine Teams.